Hi and welcome. In this video, you are going to learn how to select elements from numpy arrays in Python. First, we will import the numpy library into our Jupyter Notebook environment using this code: import numpy as np. Then, we will practice selecting elements from a one-dimensional array. To do so, we are going to create a simple array with a bunch of numbers using the function array from numpy. Array underscore 1d equals np.array, then we enter the data in a list. We can select a single element using square brackets. For example, to select the second element, we write this: array underscore 1d and 1 inside the brackets. 1 here represents the index of the second element, because Python uses 0 indexes, which means that the first element has the index 0. We can also select a range of elements using a colon. For example, to select the first 3 elements, we write this code: array underscore 1d, semicolon, and 3. Notice that index 3 is not included in the range. Included are indexes 0, 1, and 2. We can select the last element using negative indexing, which is a backward indexing from the last to the first element. For example, to select the last element, we use the index -1 like this code. Here we write -1 inside the brackets. Selecting elements from a matrix, which is a two-dimensional array, is a little different. To practice selecting elements from a matrix, let's create a two-dimensional array with 3 rows and 3 columns using this code. Array 2d equals np.array. Then we enter the data as a nested list. Each row is represented in a separate list. To select the first row, we enter the range 0, semicolon 1 inside the square brackets like this code: array underscore td, and inside the brackets we use 0, semicolon 1. Semicolon 1 here means we select the range of rows from 0 to 1, and because the last index is not included in the range, this code will select only the first row. Selecting columns needs to include the range for the rows and the range for the columns. For example, to select the third row, we write this code: array underscore 2d, and inside the brackets we include semicolon for the rows, then a comma, then the range for the columns. The first column is to select all rows, and the second range is to select the columns. We can select a single value in the array by using the row number and the column number of the value. For example, to select the value that is located in the second row and the second column, we use this code: array underscore 1d 1, 1 inside the brackets, which means the second row and the second column. With this, we finished this video, where you learned how to select elements from numpy arrays in Python. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I hope that was helpful.